Hey people, well, I went to a field trip, Lincoln Caverns, and I saw some weird pictures. These are my friends, and let me just there's some videos I have taken, and on one of these pictures, there is a weird face behind a rock. My friend, he had said that on Mountain Monsters it was the cave creature. Well, I think he's right. So, you see this, I'd get some kind of memory wiper. Okay. You can't really see it, but it's right here. You can barely see it. I don't know, but I think I saw another one. Let me look through these and see if I can find it. I don't know. Let's see. Might have been the only one. These are all the pictures I took. Those are coins you can barely see. Right here's a face on a rock. You can't see. Right there it is. There's my friends. Let me try to find a picture. That's not it. Oh, where? Yeah, these are literally pictures. So if you really want to go to Lincoln Cavern, go. I like it. But even if there's that scary thing, I don't care. There's still pretty cool stuff. Okay, let me see if I can get you to see it. Yeah, you can't see it. But there's literally a face on there. And that's all I wanted to tell you all today. And hopefully you visit. Thank you for watching this if you do. Thank you. Good.